In this video, you will learn how you can easily change your favicon or how you can add favicon in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on storefront in your dashboard. And when you're here, you want to click here on logo. When you're here on logo, you want to just scroll down here and you will see it here. A favicon is a small image that represents your brand in a browse tab, search history and more, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill, you know what it is, favicon. So now what you want to do is just click here on replace image. And if you don't have a favicon, just find some logo, create some logo and just upload it and click save. And let's wait a little bit. Now when I'm going to view store to see it, voila, in right upper corner you can see the favicon. And that's kind of it. If you have any questions, just ask down below and I will try to help you. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you will have a great day and you will find enjoyment in today's world, which is really interesting. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.